Hi everybody! In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to track students' progression in a training activity by changing booking statuses for enrolled participants in a workshop. This video assumes you have workshops already set up and have enrolled a learner into a workshop. Starting from the View Workshop page, click on the Select Action drop-down and select View Change Status. On this page, you can add a new status log entry or edit an existing one. In this case, I will add a new status. A menu will appear to edit and confirm the new status options. You can modify the date, change the method by which the status change was initiated, assign a requester of the status change, add a comment, and modify any other contextual information relating to the status change. After clicking on Add New Status, the statuses will be updated in the log as shown. Navigating back to the Workshop View page, you can see the booking statuses that have been applied to the learner. Clicking this link will also take you back to the Student Status Log page to see further detail on applied statuses. In summary, this video has demonstrated how to change the booking status of a workshop learner. The following video will demonstrate how to use booking statuses to cancel a workshop booking.